Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide the conversation on the Google Chat application. So now you can keep your privacy and security over the chat with your friends on the Google Chat. So first thing you have to do is just go open the Google Chat application, and after you open the Google Chat application, now you just need to find the conversation chat with your friends that you want to hide. So let's say I want to hide the conversation with my friends here, so you just need to open the room chat, and after that you just need to click the name of the users, and then it will bring you into the conversations options, and after that you just need to click this second option before it, the last option, which is the hide conversations. So you just need to go click it, and now the conversation with your friends will be automatically hidden. So how to find them back? It's so simple. You just need to go click this start chat and go add their account and just start typing the text, and you will bring them back or unhide them. So that is the way, guys, how to hide the Google Chat account or conversations on a Google Chat application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.